So in this video, we're going to go through the process of replacing the brake pads. And I've got my sled all set up, got it elevated a little bit so that it's easier to work on. First thing to do is to take off the brake rotor cover. I've already removed some of the hardware. Just go ahead and finish taking that off. Takes a 10mm socket to pull those nuts off, and then remove the rotor cover. There's a little clip right here that needs to be removed. Just a little safety clip, and then run this retaining bolt out. This is the bolt that physically holds the brake pads in place. Once you get the retaining bolt out, it's good to insert your screwdriver between the pad and the rotor. And what this does is you're going to pry the piston out, so it gives you a little bit more clearance between the pad and the rotor. And then go ahead and, with a pair of pliers, you can grab a hold of the brake pad, remove the outer, and then secondly the inboard one. So these are left and right. They're identical other than their mirror image. So you take the inboard pad, slide it into place, and then the outboard pad. Retainer bolt. And then the spring safety clip goes into place. And all that's left is to put the rotor cover back into place. At this point, you'll want to make sure and pump the brakes, because we push the pistons out to make room for the new pads. So you're going to give the brake lever a couple of strokes. Make sure that your fluid level is where it needs to be, and you're good to go.